Technology can help save lives, make us more efficient, and have a better quality of life. Smart devices make people happier and more connected to their community. They've made more cost-efficient and safer life wishes. It's a vibrant technology with many complex challenges. Smart devices just stream all of the controlling aspects, which would be very difficult without it. Your quality of life is never gonna be good unless you understand your environment well. When you have data, you have to understand what the data mean. Without the analytic aspect, it would be useless. But LabVIEW and Data Dashboard technology have solved the problem. Data Dashboard fastest processes with intuitive design platform that thinks fast and helps engineers innovating faster. It enables you to control, measure, and monitor any device and sensor online from across the board. Data Dashboard is a graphical approach. This means you can program the way you think. Also, projects which developed on Data Dashboard can be shared or run on your iOS, Android, and Windows devices. So you can easily make your environment smart and see the data through Wi-Fi or web. LabVIEW has taken postmodern approach toward programming. In this course, we take sensors, hardwares, data analysis, controls, measurements, and monitoring to small smart devices. So you will be able to connect your smart devices to LabVIEW and the same professional works and make self-same applicative projects on them wireless. All on LabVIEW Smart Device Connection. Stay with us and enjoy programming.